All right. Looks like we've got, I'd say we got 20 more hours to go on this road trip from New York City to LA, California. Got about 20 hours. Right now we're just outside of Omaha, Nebraska. It's wonderful so far. You get to see the windmills on the side. You get to see the livestock on the side. And to think, coming from a big city, this is where our product is coming from. This is where our dairy products are coming from. Our chicken, our eggs, our milk. And to think, this is where our everything produced and put in our supermarkets coming